Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer about the square root, that is about 10 to the power of s, and we have 1 over 2 next to s. If we want to put this one on numerator, we will put about the negative sign next to the power, so there should be about 10 to the power of negative s over 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative s over 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over 2 ds. Next, because we don't have negative 1 over 2, so I will put negative number 2 go to the left. So this one will change by u. The s will change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. That is about the integration of a to the power of u du. We have a to the power of u over L and A, and I will put about c. Now we have the formula in here. About u, that is about negative s over 2. Or we can put this one like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.